Welcome to Understanding the Power Within, simply, easily. Today was an amazing day. These are the words I use when things fall into my mind that I do not want. For I understand that the thoughts I think, the words I speak, the beliefs I hold, and the emotions I hold with all of this will create my life. It will, step by step, day by day, turn into who I am, what I do, and will bring more beliefs into me, for I will solidify everything by what's happening in my world. Yet I realize that this is not how I have to be. I can change my thoughts. I can change my words. I can change the emotions that surround them and believe something different. I just need to have something believable to replace it with. So this is the suggestion for you as well. When you have thoughts, things that you know will create something in your life that you do not want, maybe you worry about things that aren't even there. Worry about things that are not yet created, yet to you they feel real. To you they feel like they are already alive. Do not fall into these thoughts, words, beliefs, emotions. Change them. For if you know you do not want it, you must do something yourself. No one can do it for you. So I have decided over time, as we all have challenges, and I am no different than anyone else, for I am a person in a body with a soul, and the soul lives within, of course, but I still need to live this day-to-day life, and perfection is not attainable, truly, for if it were perfect, what will we be learning? What would we need to grow from? So I have decided, as there's certain things that keep creeping into my mind, and I do not want them. I do not even know if they're real, except for in my own mind. So I have decided to take a phrase that makes me happy. My phrase is, today is an amazing day. And whenever anything pops up that I do not want to think, I just go to today is an amazing day. And it is so interesting to know that if you focus on that, I just started repeating it and repeating it and repeating it and repeating it. And it feels and seems to me that when the things that I do not want in my life, the words that I do not want to fall into beliefs with, for they are not healthy for me, when these words pop up, I have practiced enough, been saying it enough, that today is an amazing day comes to mind right along with it. Now I have the choice. I can choose the direction I want to go, and I want to go with the amazing day. I'm hoping this makes sense to you. It makes perfect sense to me that every time something pops into my head that I do not want to create, yet it seems to keep coming back, creeping up on me, I have learned to replace it with, today is an amazing day. I don't know where you are at in your life and what's happening in your day-to-day process, so my words may not fit you. That's okay. You are better to find your own words, for your own words will bring a better emotion to you, more belief to you, and you will remember them easier. You can write them down at first if you must, but you will definitely remember them easier. You will absolutely feel the emotion of them better, and it will help you to move past whatever it is you are trying to move past, for the thoughts that you don't want will soon become a distant past, a past so far gone that you no longer remember them. And this is a good thing. My words, today is an amazing day, have helped me immensely in moving forward in my journey, in my growth of my soul. Think about it. Know what will please you. Know what will bring you forward from your soul. Know what will leave the other thoughts behind, and do it. Say it, feel it, see it, and let it take over. If words that do not please you can roll over and over and over in your mind, why can't they be replaced with words that do please you? Words that are much more positive in your journey on this earth, in this life, much more pleasing to the soul that lives within you, the soul that you truly are. For when you find that phrase, it will make you feel better. And when you feel better, you think better, you talk better, everything is better, and your life becomes better. It grows in the direction you truly want. For today is an amazing day. Every day is an amazing day. And there's absolutely no need to bring any baggage that you do not want with you. You can leave this baggage behind by finding your mantra, your words. It's great to look them up online. It's great to use someone else's for a little bit, but your words are your beliefs, and you will change your life. You will find happiness, joy, love within when you change the words you're saying and you turn these words into self-love. Today is an amazing day. Brings for me the feeling of joy, the feeling of satisfaction and contentment, and it leaves out anything that is not pleasing. Today is an amazing day. Today is an amazing day. My words, you can find yours by meditating, by taking 15 minutes in the morning and asking, what words will please me today? Just breathe in that white, beautiful love of the universe, and breathe out that gray matter that does not serve you. Watch as the love comes in and feel the joy of the gray matter leaving you. Today is an amazing day. Words that uplift you, words that please you, are far more better for you than the thoughts that you do not want to build in your life. Whatever those thoughts may be, we wish for you love in your life, peace in your mind, joy in your soul.